Good morning and welcome to my line tips. Today we have 13 odds for you in the over market. Let's get started. The first game we have here is a game in the Portugal Division 2 where Benfica B is taking on FC Porto B. My prediction is over 0.5 goals at halftime. The next one is still in that Portugal where FC Pacos Ferrari is taking on OS Belarus, and my prediction is over 0.5 goals at full time, at halftime rather. The next one is in Denmark where Aalborg BK is taking on Frederica. My prediction here is 0.5 goals at full halftime. The next one is in Turkey where Antalyaspor is taking out an Ademir over 0.5 goals at halftime. Please kindly hit the like button and share this video with your friends. It's very important for this channel. When you like this video, YouTube and Facebook will recommend it to you, your friends and other people, and also recommend it to you next time. Okay, moving on, we have a game in Austria where SV Striping is taking on Grazer AK. My prediction is over 0.5 goals. We have a game in Saudi Arabia where Denmark FC is taking on Al Fire FC, and my prediction is 0.5 goals at halftime. We have a game in Austria, a game between SV Horn taking on Faguyen, and my prediction is over 0.5 goals at halftime. Then the next one is in Algeria Division 1 where US Sov is taking on NC Magra over 0.5 goals at halftime. Then the next one we have is in Finland, a game between Namijavan taking on Japs 47 over 0.5 goals. The last game we have here is still in that Finland where PA Lylot is taking on Esbo Cup, and my prediction is over 0.5 goals. That gives us 13 odds. So I wish you guys good luck. Always remember to follow this channel and also subscribe to this channel so you won't miss those games that we post on our stories and status, and also the community. So subscribe to this channel and also follow this Facebook page for more of this tip. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you are interested in a VIP where you win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up. It's not free, it's not pay after. I will see you guys next time. Thank you.